it's your girl Z. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time since y'all see this face. That's because I took a break of making videos, just focus on my overall health. Back in March, I recently started going to the doctors to see what's going on with my health. And I got those answers and I'm working on it. And I've been losing weight too in the process. So I'm doing okay. But that's enough about me. Let's get up to today's video. Today I want to unbox my third pair of glasses from glassesshop, and it's right here. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for these since I put the order in. Like, I cannot wait to put these on my face. So you guys can't see, these are my last pair I have. They're mint and clear. They're a cat eye. Love these. But it's time to open this baby up. So that's what we're going to do. How y'all doing? Y'all drinking water? Good. One thing about these package I have is that it's a rectangle. Because my other two glasses cases I have, they're kind of roundish on the sides. This is a straight up rectangle, so I'm pretty curious about this. Excuse for 1 minute. And I'm back. I'm so sorry about why it took me so long to come back. I have to do my dad's laundry. He asked if I can do it for him. I'm like, sure, I do it. So that's basically what I did. And we're gonna go with the box. Okay, glassesshop. So it's a box. You guys can see it says glassesshop. Got this cute panel of colors going on. And back, there's some words back here. It says eyewear with mass appeal. We understand that when it comes to eyewear, it's more than meets the eye. Okay, Optimus Prime. If y'all know that reference, bitch, I'm a real one. Make an impression at affordable prices without losing the sight of true self-expression is our goal. www.glassesshop.com. That is what it says in the back. Okay, glassesshop. So you guys can see this little metal flap. I can't open this thing. Hold on. I know I'm lying. It's like a metal flap that closes. So this is very different. I wonder if it's like this with every pair of glasses now or just for certain ones. I don't know. Might have to buy them all. Like it's Pokemon. Got to catch them all. Open it up and it says eyewear with mass appeal. Looks like that. And my glasses in this glasses baggie. This is kind of giving out bohemian type printing. This is glassesshop eyewear with mass appeal. At the cover of it, you guys can see. Hopefully y'all can. I get closer. Yeah, so we're going to. Okay, so when I first open these, it's covered with the gray protective cloth, which is the eyeglass thing. The same one from my green ones that I have. And the glasses are right here. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like, ah, oh my god. Oh my god. So we need to talk about the details before I put these on. So this is what they look like, the frames, but y'all could see. And then the sides have like this butterfly entailing. Hope that focuses. Each side. And the ends are kind of like pointed as well. You guys can see that. Yeah, so I'm gonna put these on. They're a cat eye, kind of like this. And this is what I look like without. Just like with. I am so shook. Oh my god, this is not. I'm gonna see if this is. I'm gonna take someone's man with these. Okay, these are too cute. Let me bring you guys closer. Look at this. Look, this is so cute. I love the pointiness of the cat eye right here. That is amazing. I love this so much. But the butterfly detailing here, over here, that's just stunning. I love these. And they're rose gold. You guys can already, it kind of look white, but trust me, it's rose gold all over. I love these. These are so stinking cute. They fit well. Very comfortable. I love this so much. Oh my god, guys, Shoplook did it again. This is so cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. I can't stop looking at myself. That's how cute it is. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Take a shot for the amount of times. No, matter of fact, scratch that. Comment below how many times when I say it's so cute. Because it is at the end of the day. Oh my god, it's so cute. I said it again. Oh my god, I love these so much. I love these. Oh my god. Glasses Shop did it once again. They proved me that their glasses are very different from other brands. I just love these so much. I just love these so much. I just can't stop looking at myself. I love these so much. So this is my first impressions unboxing videos of Glasses Shop. These frames are called Scylla. Not Scylla, but it's S-E-L-I-A. That's the name of these glasses. Celia. I think Celia. I think it's Celia. Something like that. But these what these are. They're so cute. I just love these so much. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing a BTS shirt. My brother got me this about what, a year or two ago? I think 2 or 3 years ago. Yeah. This is a BTS shirt I just want to show you guys that I'm ARMY. Hey ARMY. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment below anything. Make sure you guys like, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm on Zepeto, so somewhere at the corner here, or maybe at the end of the video, you guys can scan my Zepeto QR code, so you guys go follow me on there, as well as follow me on Shoplook, Instagram, and my Wattpad. And I see y'all when I see y'all. Bye.